This unit comes with a 1-year Australia-wide warranty that is upheld by Iwata, the Australian importer. It has a weight of 7.4 kilos. It's still a studio compressor, which means you can put it into any application you require. It has a maximum pressure of 60 psi with a working pressure of 1 to 50 psi. We got on average 42 to 47 psi on all of the airbrushes we trialled from Iwata. So as far as the compressor is concerned, it's got a nice solid case to protect all the inners. It's got all ventilation to keep it cool. On this end you've got a 240 volt power cord, and you've got an oilless piston, which means no maintenance whatsoever. The switches on top for on off, it has auto shut off, which means that when you're not airbrushing it'll turn itself off, and when you turn your airbrush PSI back down it'll turn itself back on. It has a great big handle for carrying the unit. Now on the business end, case mounted ready to go for you. Here's an airbrush holder and a regulation system. Now that will come locked down and you won't be able to adjust the PSI. So what you need to do, that's from factory, is to pull the knob up, turn it clockwise to increase the PSI and anti-clockwise to decrease the PSI. It has a cutout so you can see what PSI you've set the compressor to. So underneath here, you've got a moisture trap. That's to stop any moisture from getting into the line before it gets to the line itself. When you've got moisture in there, depress the valve to release that. So the line itself is a 1/4 inch male coming out of the case. The hose has a 1/4 inch female BSB. You need to attach that to the top. It's a 3 meter nylon hose, and at the other end is 1/8 of an inch, and that is BSB. Now the hose is the tank. You don't have an actual tank on this compressor, so it is wise to keep your finger down on the air so you don't get no pulsations and you don't get bursts of air. So this particular 1/8 of an inch fitting will take all Iwata airbrushes, and it will take Sparmax airbrushes because they're the same fitting.